What's going on, my people? So in this video I will show you my income report for the month of August. So if you are new here, my name is Adedamola. I like to bring out video on how to make money online by using only your laptop with an internet connection. Please go and subscribe and hit the little bell icon button to get notified for any further video. That being said, time of the month to show you my income report for selling low or no content book on Amazon. So let's move to the book report. So this is book report. This is what I made so far today. Let's go to the this is what I made so far this month. So let's change it to last month. So let it load up. So for the month of August, I made a total of $784.93, which is more than what I made in the month of July. So if we look here, we see that this end doing from August 1, 2020 to August 31, 2020. So I have a total of 2,620 books. I've been uploading a lot of books these days because Q4 is already at the corner. So I am preparing for the Q4 so that I will make use of this year Q4 optimally, because last year it was when I just started, so I didn't make use of it optimally last year. But hopefully this year I will make use of the incoming Q4 sales. So if you want to know more about Q4 sales and which type of book I will suggest for you to be making, so look out for more video on Q4 on how to make a lot of book that will fetch you a lot of money during the Q4 time. I will release video on that in these coming weeks. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and check back. So let's check my earning per day. So if you look at my earning per day, you see that on August 2 day I made the day I made less. I made 13.2. that's the lowest day on doing last month. That is August 2. I make $13.28, and my highest day happened to be was on August 28, of which I made 68.92. all it together make 78.493 that I made in August. So let's change this to the earning by unit. If you look at earning by unit, see that my lowest day is August 13. My lowest day was August 13, of which I sold 6 units of my book, while the highest day was August 28, of which I sold 48 units of my book. Let's move down and see how I earn this money by marketplace. If you look at earning by marketplace, you will see that 53.5% of my earning came from Amazon.com, that is US marketplace. 44% of my earning came from Amazon.co.uk, that is UK marketplace. 1.2% came from Amazon.in, that is India, right? 4.5% came from Germany, while 0.4% came from Canada, and 0.3% came from Jordan. All this made up of 784.93 that I made in the month of August. And if you look at all this money are not actually profit, because I spent some money on ads. So I will look at my ad spend, and once I make deduction from what I actually made in the month of August, I will be able to see what was the profit I actually made in the month of August. So let's check earning by book. So if you look at earning by book, means that this particular book I sold 26 units of it and I made me 25 point. I made $54.75. It's a coloring book. So this is another book I sold 22 units of that book, and I made a total of 35.73. It's also a coloring book. This is another book. I sold 21 units of it, and I made a total of $34.10, and it's just a line journal. So this is another book. I sold 23 units of it, and I made $32.47. It's just ordinary composition book. And this another one is 13. I sold 13 units of it, and I made a total of $29.91. It's Halloween coloring book. It's Halloween coloring book. You know, Halloween is coming in October, and I've started running ad on my Halloween activities book, and I've seen a lot of movement, a lot of sales on that on those books. So this is another book. I sold 14 units of it, and I made a total of 28.56. This is the final one. I sold 13 units of it, and I made a total of 24.10. This is another one. I sold 28 units of it, and it's a composition book. It's a kid composition book. I target this composition book within the animal niche, and I made 23.26. All this added together made me to make 784.43, and it amount to a total of I sold a total of 446 units of my book, and it made me 784.93. So I told you the other time that this 784.93 was not actually profit. So let's move to my ad account, and let's see how much I spent on ad. I actually ran ad on only US marketplace last month. I've stopped my ad on Amazon.uk marketplace. So this is what I have already changed the date range to last month. As you can see, I changed it to last month. Let it load. So you can see that I spent a total of $397.49 on ad, of which I made a total of the total sales I made is 1,629.57. These are not royalty, so don't get confused with the amount he wrote here. It's not royalty, it's the total amount of book that I sold for the month by using ad. So I have 24.39 as my ACOS, which is still good to me, because I will still make some profit with this ACOS. So let me bring out the calculator and calculate how much I actually made as profit for the month of August. I made a total of 784.93. So let's subtract 784.93 minus 397.49. 397.49. So my actual profit for the month of May is, for the month of August, is 387.44. So that's the actual profit once I subtract which I'm extremely happy about. The quarter four is coming, and I know very well that by October, November and December, this will actually help in ranking on my book, and I will be making at least 1,000 per month on those months. And December, I am very optimistic that it will be much more better than what I made last year. So that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe and hit the little bell icon button to get notified for any further video. That being said, I'm Adedamola. See you again.